When I was a boy, I dreamed I died. That dream gave me a view from the other side, through the veil. Its insights have guided me throughout my life. Eventually, they inspired me to come here, to this YouTube channel. And it's from here that I plan to share my ordinary adventures in this extraordinary world. My dream was one of those vivid dreams. The kind that feel real even for a moment or two after you wake up. Its lesson was indelible. It demonstrated that life is fleeting and that it can change at any moment. It gave me a rare opportunity to feel what it would be like to lose access to people and things that I loved. Even though this YouTube channel was inspired by a dream of dying, it's not about death. It's a celebration of life. My life, your life, all life. It's about taking no day for granted and treating every day like it's my last day on Earth. The dream was unsettling, but it was a gift. The feeling of loss that I experienced gave me a greater appreciation for life. It urged me to slow down and to become more aware. And when I did that, I started to notice wondrous things in everyday places. I also became more aware of the passage of time and that life is finite. There are only so many Technicolor sunrises, so many glasses of good whiskey with a good friend, so many concerts with the kids. Or days when you're allowed to watch them grow into adults.
Aaron Ray Charleston, summa cum laude.
Only so many nights under the stars. A limited number of opportunities to paddle across a still lake on a quiet morning. And chances to hunt for big bass. I grew up outdoors on my father's cattle ranch. It was there that he taught me to appreciate nature, and he taught me to be an outdoorsman. But over time, the rigors of adult life diluted what my father taught me. The lessons of the dream faded. I became a drone, a worker bee, flying over life. I went into the office when it was dark, and I left when it was dark. And I lost my connection to the outside world. I saw it only through the tinted glass of my office windows, and the natural world became muted. But I got lucky, and I found my way back. I became restless in the false light and the recycled air of the office building. The call of nature grew louder. And then one day, a fork in the road. And after 33 years behind a desk, I left the traditional working world behind. Now I work for myself. The pay is horrible. The benefits non-traditional. The boss can be a bit of a tyrant. But it's good work if you can get it. For the rest of my days, this will be my office. I'll sleep under the stars and cook like a cowboy. I'll find time for friends. I'll fish. I'll kayak. I'll really watch the sunrise. And set. Always watchful for the unexpected. I'll watch spring burst out of winter, and I'll feel the heat of summer. And then I'll watch as the sun tilts into fall's gentle rustle, a reflection of my own life at this point. On this channel, we'll be present in the moment. We'll be here now, like the monk on the cliff, enjoying the lotus flower between the two tigers of yesterday and tomorrow. We'll fix some things, hopefully make them better. We'll learn some new tricks. We'll talk about life, and we'll talk about living, and we'll go where the wind takes us. Into the nooks and crannies under God's big sky. And while we're paying close attention to all these little things, maybe we'll find something bigger.